Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to completely uninstall WPS Office from Windows 11 PC. Now for us to get this done, I'm just going to show you that as of the moment we have WPS and we're going to go ahead and try to work our way and install this. So to do that, let's go over and open the control panel. And you have here uninstall a program. Go ahead and click that one. We're also going to close any WPS applications that we have. So I'm going to exit this one. The same thing here. And then from this point forward, let's go over and look for WPS, uninstall or change. And yeah, we're just going to process this one. So you have here different reasons. I'm going to choose other reasons. Click and then go ahead and click continue uninstall, clear data, and then click the clear. And we're just going to wait for this to work its way. All right, there you go. So once that's done, you can see that the WPS Office we had right here earlier is now gone. The same thing here. So if we head over and search WPS, you can see that we're no longer seeing it, just this one. So yeah, again, everybody, that's how you're going to uninstall WPS from your PC.